Hi everyone, if you're seeing a payment integration error in Jotform, don't panic. Whether payments are failing, transactions aren't processing, or your payment gateway isn't connecting properly, I'll show you several fixes that can help. First, make sure your payment account is active and correctly configured. Expired credentials or account restrictions can prevent transactions from going through. Next, remove the payment integration and connect it again. Refreshing the connection often resolves authorization or sync issues. If you're using custom credentials, review your API keys and login information carefully. Even a small mistake can stop the payment gateway from communicating with Jotform. Another thing to check is whether your selected currency and payment methods are supported by your payment provider. Unsupported settings can trigger errors during checkout. Now open the form in preview mode and perform a test transaction. This can help you identify whether the issue happens during setup or during the actual payment process. If the problem continues, clear your browser cache or try another browser. Browser-related issues can occasionally interfere with payment pages. You should also verify whether your payment provider is experiencing downtime. Sometimes the issue isn't with Jotform at all, but with the payment service itself. If none of these methods solve the issue, contact Jotform support or your payment provider for additional assistance. They can help diagnose account-specific problems, and that's all there is to it. One of these fixes should help resolve your Jotform payment integration error and get payments working normally again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.